Well, I tried to go get the lift kit put on the Land Cruiser today, and as you can see, it's piling rain on right now, so that wasn't going to happen. Not only that, though, I actually got it over to my uncle's house where he's got all the tools, and we tried to get it up on jacks, but before we did that, my uncle had the smart idea to test out and make sure that the lug nuts would come off. It's a good thing he did, because even with his heaviest duty impact wrench, we couldn't get them off. So I think the guys who put the new tires on over torqued the lug nuts, and then they rusted on even tighter. So I'm gonna soak them in PB Blaster once we get to our new house. It's got a carport there, I'll soak the lug nuts in PB Blaster and let them sit for a couple days, and then try it with some more impact and maybe some heat. On a positive note, though, despite all the rust, the interior of the Land Cruiser is dry, with the exception of the spots that I had to have. I had to have the windows cracked a little bit so that way it didn't get too foggy inside and I wouldn't be able to see. So, also our favorite hula girl, who is shedding her hula skirt, unfortunately, is still alive and good. And even when I replace the dash because of the cracking and all that, I think the hula girl is going to stay. So other than that, I need new windshield wipers. Found that out the hard way, and they're not terrible, but they definitely could use some improvement.